Did you know that something as simple as how you cook or store your eggs could be quietly affecting your health? Most people think of eggs as a healthy food, and they are. They're full of protein, vitamins, and nutrients your body needs, especially as you get older. But there's another side to the story that doesn't get talked about enough. Eggs can lose a lot of their goodness, or even become harmful, if certain small mistakes are made in the kitchen. And the truth is, these are things many of us do without even realizing it. This video isn't about scaring you. It's about helping you enjoy your favorite foods, like eggs, in a way that supports your health instead of harming it. We'll talk about 5 common egg-related mistakes many seniors make, and more importantly, what you can do instead. These are simple changes. Before we start, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Just drop your state or city in the comments below. And if you have any natural health tips of your own, feel free to share those too. Someone else might really benefit from hearing what's worked for you. 1. Overcooking eggs can harm their nutrients and raise inflammation. Let's start with one of the most common mistakes, overcooking eggs. It might seem harmless to fry your eggs until the edges get brown and crispy or to boil them until the yolk turns a bit green. Many people do this out of habit or because they think it gives better flavor. But what most folks don't realize is that when you cook eggs at high temperatures for too long, you're not just changing their taste, you're actually damaging the good stuff inside them. When eggs are overcooked, something called oxidation happens. This means the cholesterol in the yolk gets damaged, and that can lead to something called oxidized cholesterol. Now, cholesterol itself isn't always bad, but once it gets oxidized, it can cause trouble in your body. Studies have linked it to inflammation and even higher risk of heart problems, which is especially important for older adults to be aware of. There's also the matter of lost nutrients. Eggs are rich in important things like vitamin B12, folate, and powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect your brain and eyes. But the more heat they're exposed to, the more these nutrients get destroyed. So if you're relying on eggs to support your health, cooking them gently is key. Take Robert, for example. He's 76 and used to fry his eggs on high heat every morning until they were nearly crunchy. Over time, he started having more bloating, indigestion, and even mild heartburn. He never thought eggs were the issue, until he learned about oxidation. He switched to soft scrambled eggs cooked on low heat, and within a few weeks, he felt a big difference in his digestion and energy. You don't need to stop eating eggs, you just need to treat them with care. Try boiling them just until the yolk is fully cooked, but not gray. Or poach them. Or cook them gently in a pan without turning the heat all the way up. These small adjustments can help you keep the good stuff in while avoiding the things that might cause harm over time. A little care in the kitchen can go a long way when it comes to your health. 2. Eating raw or undercooked eggs increases risk of illness. A lot of people believe that eating raw or lightly cooked eggs is a healthier option, that you get more nutrients when they're not fully cooked. You might have heard someone say, "I add a raw egg to my smoothie every morning," or maybe you've seen recipes with runny yolks or undercooked whites. But what many folks don't know is that eating raw or undercooked eggs comes with real health risks, especially for older adults. The biggest concern here is something called salmonella, a type of bacteria that can be hiding inside an egg, even one that looks perfectly clean on the outside. When you eat that egg raw or undercooked, you could be letting that bacteria into your body. And while younger people might bounce back quickly from a stomach bug, for seniors, it can be a much bigger deal. A salmonella infection can cause severe stomach pain, fever, diarrhea, and dehydration. In some cases, it can even lead to a hospital stay. Margaret, who's 68, used to have a raw egg in her smoothie every morning. She did it for years without any issues. But one morning, she started feeling sick, nausea, cramping, and chills. It turned out to be a salmonella infection, and it took her nearly 2 weeks to fully recover. That experience changed how she looked at eggs. Now, she sticks to well-cooked ones and hasn't had a problem since. Another thing many people don't realize is that raw egg whites contain a protein called avidin, which blocks your body from absorbing biotin, a B vitamin that helps keep your skin, nerves, and energy levels healthy. Cooking eggs gets rid of this problem completely, allowing your body to absorb all the nutrients properly. Even if your eggs come from an organic farm or look super fresh, there's still a chance they could carry bacteria. That's why fully cooking your eggs, until both the yolk and white are firm, is the safest choice. If you love a soft yolk, you can try using pasteurized eggs, which are treated to kill bacteria but still work for recipes that call for gentle cooking. 3. Storing cooked eggs the wrong way can lead to illness. You might be surprised to hear this, but how you store your eggs, especially after cooking, matters just as much as how you cook them. Many people don't think twice about leaving cooked eggs on the counter for a while, or tossing them in the fridge uncovered. But these small habits can turn a healthy meal into a potential health risk, especially for seniors who are more sensitive to bacteria. Once an egg is cooked and starts to cool, it becomes vulnerable. If it's left out at room temperature for more than 2 hours, bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli can start growing fast. This is especially true in warmer weather or if the kitchen isn't air-conditioned. For older adults, a bout of food poisoning isn't just uncomfortable, it can lead to serious dehydration, fatigue, and even a hospital visit. Take George, for example. He's 72 and used to cook a big batch of scrambled eggs every Sunday to last him the week. He'd store them in the fridge in a loosely covered bowl and grab a scoop each morning. But over time, he started having stomach aches and felt off. His doctor suggested it might be due to how he was storing his food. After George switched to smaller batches and used airtight containers, his digestion improved and the discomfort went away. Here's what you can do to avoid this mistake. Refrigerate cooked eggs within 2 hours, don't leave them sitting out. Use airtight containers to keep bacteria and odors out. Eat scrambled or fried eggs within 3 to 4 days. Hard-boiled eggs can last up to a week, but only if they've been stored properly. Don't store cooked eggs near raw meat or unwashed produce. Bacteria can spread easily in the fridge. When reheating, avoid the microwave if possible. It can make eggs rubbery or unevenly hot. Instead, warm them gently on the stove with a splash of water or broth. 4. Using cracked or expired eggs can be risky for your health. It's easy to assume that an egg is fine just because it looks okay on the outside. Maybe the shell has a tiny crack, or the expiration date passed a couple of days ago, but it doesn't smell bad, so you go ahead and use it. Sound familiar? The truth is, these small signs can mean the difference between a safe meal and one that could make you very sick. Eggs with even hairline cracks can let in bacteria like Salmonella, especially if they weren't stored properly. And once that bacteria gets inside, there's no way to tell by just looking at the egg. The yolk and white might seem normal. It might even smell fine when you crack it. But cooking doesn't always kill all the bacteria, especially if the egg is only lightly cooked. For older adults, with immune systems that aren't as strong as they once were, this risk can turn into a real health concern. Evelyn, age 74, had always been careful about what she ate. But one morning she cracked an egg into her pan and noticed a faint odor. She brushed it off and cooked it anyway. A few hours later, she had a terrible stomachache and nausea that lasted for 2 days. Her doctor told her it was likely due to a spoiled egg. Now she always does a quick water test to check freshness. Just place the egg in a bowl of cold water. If it sinks and lays flat, it's fresh. If it stands upright, it's still okay but should be used soon. If it floats, it's gone bad, toss it out. Also, avoid storing your eggs in the door of the fridge. The temperature there changes too often, every time the door opens. It's better to keep them in the coldest part of the fridge, usually near the back. And don't rely only on the printed expiration date. Eggs can sometimes go bad before the date, or last a little longer, depending on storage. Lastly, if an egg smells off, looks discolored, or feels sticky, don't take the risk, just throw it away. It's not worth gambling your health over a single egg. 5. Cooking eggs in the wrong oil can turn a healthy meal unhealthy. Eggs on their own are full of good things, high-quality protein, healthy fats, and important nutrients for your brain, eyes, and muscles. But one thing that often gets overlooked is what you cook your eggs in. The type of oil or fat you use in the pan can either help your health or quietly harm it, especially if you're using oils that aren't meant for high heat or are heavily processed. Many people grew up using vegetable oil, margarine, or canola oil without thinking twice. These oils are cheap and easy to find, but they can become unstable when heated. That means when you fry eggs at a high temperature using these oils, they can break down and release something called free radicals, harmful compounds that damage your cells and increase inflammation in the body. Over time, that kind of stress adds up and can play a role in issues like arthritis, heart disease, and even memory problems. Take Frank, a 78-year-old who had been using vegetable oil for decades. He thought oil was just oil. But after reading more about it, he learned that some oils, especially processed seed oils, contain trans fats, which are especially dangerous. He decided to make a small change. Instead of vegetable oil, he started using olive oil and sometimes butter. Within a few weeks, he noticed he didn't feel as sluggish after meals, and his digestion improved. So what are better options? For eggs, it's best to choose oils or fats that can handle the heat and also offer nutritional benefits. Some great choices include extra virgin olive oil, heart-healthy and great for low to medium heat. Butter or ghee, adds flavor and holds up well to cooking. Avocado oil, perfect for high-heat cooking and full of healthy fats. Coconut oil, stable at high temperatures and easy to digest. The key takeaway here is simple: it's not just about what you eat, it's how you prepare it. Eggs can still be a wonderful part of your diet, but pairing them with the wrong oil can undo many of their benefits. A small switch in your cooking fat could help protect your heart and support your health as you age. 6. Washing eggs before storing them can invite more bacteria. This one surprises a lot of people, because it sounds like a clean habit. You might think rinsing your eggs under water as soon as you bring them home is a good way to get rid of germs. After all, many of us grew up being told to wash our fruits and vegetables before putting them away. But eggs are different. And when it comes to eggs, washing them before storage can actually do more harm than good. Here's why: eggs come with a natural protective layer called the bloom or cuticle. This coating keeps out bacteria and helps the egg stay fresh longer. When you wash the egg, especially with cold water or soap, you strip away that protective layer. This makes it easier for bacteria like salmonella to enter the egg through tiny pores in the shell. Once that happens, storing them, even in the fridge, won't fully protect you from contamination. Mary, a 69-year-old who lives in Ohio, used to wash all her eggs as soon as she got home from the store. She thought she was being safe. But she started noticing that her eggs were spoiling faster, and once, she even got an upset stomach after cooking what seemed like a fresh egg. Her doctor mentioned the bloom and advised her to stop washing them unless she was about to cook. That one change made a big difference. So what should you do instead? If you're buying eggs from the store in the US, they've already been cleaned and sanitized according to safety guidelines. There's no need to wash them again. Just put them straight into the fridge and wash your hands after handling the carton. If you're using farm fresh or backyard eggs, you can gently brush off any dirt, but avoid washing them unless absolutely necessary, and even then, only right before cooking. Keeping eggs safe isn't just about what you do at the stove, it starts the moment you bring them home. Trust their natural protection, and avoid doing anything that could open the door to bacteria. It's a small but powerful way to stay one step ahead when it comes to your health. Now that we've gone through these 5 common mistakes, take a moment to think about how you've been cooking and eating your eggs. It might not seem like a big deal at first, but over time, the way we handle our food really does make a difference in how we feel every day. Before you go, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's one thing you learned today that you're going to start doing differently? Your thoughts matter, and your experience might help someone else, too. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell. We're here to share practical, trustworthy health tips to help you stay strong and feel your best. Thank you for spending time with us today.